Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another meal plan and grocery haul video. And this is actually a very small grocery haul video and a very small meal plan because this week coming up is Christmas. So I really only have 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, to plan for this week. If anybody watched my weigh-in video, I mentioned that Thursday and Friday we just kind of do finger foods with the family. So that's all I'm planning on, but I figured I'd go ahead and show you just this very quick, small grocery haul. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Kristi. I'm currently following the WW Blue plan, but I do provide the points for all 3 programs on my channel, and I am also starting to include calories as well. I would love to have you as part of our family here. I hope you'll consider subscribing. All right, so let's get right into this very small grocery haul. I did a Walmart grocery pickup, which was, I think it was right around $50. I think it was 49 something. I'll double check my receipt. If I'm incorrect, I'll put it down across the screen. The only thing that they didn't have is I had ordered some Sara Lee deli turkey meat and they didn't have any. They were going to replace it with ham, which I didn't want. So I did stop at Publix and got this hickory smoked turkey breast that I needed for this week, and this kind actually has points. This is 1 point for 2 ounces on all programs. If you're counting calories, it's 60 calories for 2 ounces. So then I got some ready rice, the Uncle Ben's ready rice. This is our favorite kind. I don't think I have really anything new this week. The ready rice, 3 points for half a cup. That's on all programs. If you're counting calories, 210 per cup. And then some turkey pepperoni. For this kind, you can have 15 slices for 1 point or 25 for 2. The calories on this is 70 for 17 slices. Also got a thing of eggs, 0 points on blue and purple and 2 points on green. This is the sweetener that we use. It's just the great value. It's like the Splenda kind. I picked up some strawberries. Strawberries are looking wonderful this time of year here. Also got some Daisy Light Sour Cream, 1 point for 1 tablespoon. If you are counting calories, it is 35 calories for 2 tablespoons. Also got some light cottage cheese. These are the 2% ones, and I used to get these all the time, and I could have sworn they used to scan at 2 points. They're now scanning at 3 points. I'm noticing some very strange things lately in the WW app. I don't know if they're changing things. I'm not really sure what's up, so I may have to do some looking around and see, but I've been noticing some differences, but those are scanning at 3 points. And then Velveeta shreds, these are 2 points for 1/4 of a cup, or if you're counting calories, 60 calories for 1/4 of a cup. I also got some Velveeta Slices. These are 1 point for 1 slice or 3 points for 2 slices. If you're counting calories, 35 calories per slice. Some Laughing Cow cheese. Again, this is another one that's a weird one because it's scanning out. It's 1 point for 1 wedge or 3 points for 2 wedges. And I just did, I think it was a couple weeks ago, I did Laughing Cow cheese and it was coming out to 2 points for 2 wedges. So I'm not really sure what's going on. I think the kind I got the last time was the Asiago, but they are scanning at 1 for 1 or 3 points for 2. If you're counting calories, these are 30 calories per wedge. And then I just got some 0 point, some broccoli, cauliflower, cucumbers, the little mini cucumbers, some lettuce, and a great big thing of mandarin oranges, which are my absolute favorite kind of orange. I really like these because number one, they're small, and also because they peel so easily. Like the peels just come right off. So that is it for my very small grocery haul this week. So now let me show you what I have planned. All right, this is my meal plan for this week. I'm just going to use my Monday through Friday meal plan. If you are not familiar with my meal plans, I have these available on my website. You can download and print them. I have Monday through Friday, I have Sunday through Saturday, and Monday through Sunday. And then I have a grocery list and a couple other things. I'll be sure to link it down in the description box below. With it being Christmas week, it's very possible some of this can change. I think the breakfast and lunch is probably going to be the same, but I'm just not sure about my dinners. So this week for breakfast prep, I'm going to do strawberry pancake bake. I think what I'm going to do is just use my blueberry pancake bake, and just instead of blueberries, I'm going to replace it with strawberry. Very easy, super simple to do. So that is going to be 3 points on all programs. It's 203 calories with the blueberries. So if you're on calories, then it's going to change it a little bit because the strawberries I think the strawberries are a little bit higher than blueberries. Also depends on how much you use of it. So that will be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thursday and Friday is Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. My husband is going to smoke a turkey breast on Thursday, and then we're going to have some different sides with that. Friday, we always do like a finger food thing with our family, so we're going to be doing that. And so far, we know we're going to be having shrimp, meatballs, and a veggie tray. Not sure what else we're doing there. So those are a little bit different this week. So that's why it's just going to be kind of a very quick meal prep this week. My lunches this week, super easy. Laughing Cow turkey wraps. I'm just going to take a Laughing Cow cheese, put it on an Olay Extreme Wellness wrap with some turkey, the turkey that I bought. I think those are going to be about 3 points and about 140 calories. Just depends on how much turkey I end up using, because that turkey that I bought does have points. Even on blue and purple, it could change the points. So I'll know when I put them together. So if I meal prep it, I don't put my vegetables on it until the day I have it. But if I am making it fresh, then of course I'll put it on there. For dinners this week, I think Monday night, normally we do salmon on Monday night, but we're going to be doing different this week. I'm going to do flatbread pizzas. No idea how many points or calories those are going to be, because it just depends on when I actually make it that night. It's just going to depend really on how much cheese I use, how many slices of turkey pepperoni I use. So I won't know until the night I make. And then Tuesday night, I think I'm just going to do the Hasselback chicken, Philly style Hasselback chicken. It basically just has onion, peppers, and cheese in it. You just kind of cut the chicken Hasselback style. That is 4 points on blue and purple, 7 points on green, and 331 calories. I didn't put a side with that one because I'm really not sure. I think I may just do like some canned green beans or something simple. This week, I'm going to try and be as simple as possible. Wednesday night, very easy recipe, mozzarella stuffed pork chops. Just take a little piece of mozzarella, put it inside the pork chop, and I put those in the air fryer. Those are 7 points on all programs, or 170 calories. And then I'm going to do ranch cauliflower with that, and that is 2 points, 98 calories, 2 points on all programs, 98 calories. I'll put the recipes for those down in the description box below. I have recipes for the pork chops, the ranch cauliflower, the Hasselback chicken, and then the pancake bake. The Laughing Cow turkey wrap, I really don't have a recipe for that, but I can put that down in the description box how I'm going to do that. And for my snacks this week, I have fruit, which is 0 points, pudding for 2 points, and popcorn is 3, 0 on purple. And calorie-wise, honestly, I'm not even sure. Again, with fruit, for calories, just depends on how much you have of it. You know, on Weight Watchers, we really don't have to weigh out our fruit or anything, but I know if you're counting calories or you're doing macros, you definitely need to weigh those out. I know when I did it, I would weigh every single piece out in grams. So if you're counting calories, just make sure to do that. So that is my little meal plan for this week. So nothing very exciting with it being Christmas week, but I did want to at least put a meal plan and grocery haul up just to show you what I am planning on. Not sure if I'll actually do a meal prep out of it because it is really so simple. So usually I do dinner kits for my dinners, but I really don't need to do those because I am off this week. So I can make everything fresh, not a big deal. But if I do throw together a meal prep and film it, it's going to be super quick because I'm just going to show the breakfast and lunch. So it'll be a very simple one. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. If I don't talk to you before then, I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas. I'll talk to you in my next video. I'm Kristi and I'm Planning Us Healthy.